So I'm at the Asherwood Nature Preserve. I think I parked in the right area, and I am going down the deer trail right now. So yeah, it's so far pretty nice. There's paved trails right now, but unless that's the right spot, I don't know. But yeah, I'm here. It's about 2 miles long. It's a loop too. It's supposed to be pretty hard too. Let's see, I think either says this way or the other way. We'll find out. Update. I am on the right trail according to the map. I just started on the loop, so this should be fun. So far so good. I only don't like the paved part, but that's just me. But yeah, let's see what this is like. This creek bed's all dried up. I think it looks pretty cool. I got lost in one before because I almost thought it was a trail one time, and it was funny. So now I'm in this dome thing. I think I can echo a little bit. And yeah. I'm not sure what to do now because there's no more trail except for from the way I came from. So I think I might go back, check the map, and yeah, see where to go next. I think this is technically a shortcut, but I think I found the way. Maybe. That's cool. Little frogs, I think. Yeah, they're just way back there, but not the biggest fan of this bridge. But I made it. Okay, let's see. North Pole is 2,961 miles that way. Equator is 2,439 miles that way. And South Pole is 7,839 miles that way. You have the Wood Duck Pond. I think I just went there. Then the deer trail is that way. Made it back, so it was fun. I thought it would be harder, but it wasn't that hard to me. I've been getting morning fit too, though, so that might be different. But I think the Lost Sister Trail was much harder. But yeah, this has been fun. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.